Thank you for being with here today. We're gonna open a box. Is that a sentence or not?
It says,
I don't know what you just said.
Sans Wilbur.
Please leave at the door.
Stop.
Happy Halloween!
Chill. I feel like this is like a 4-year-old child wrapped in this.
Oh no! Oh, please.
Does it smell bad?
This is like
I can't breathe.
Oh.
like there's bug in there. Formaldehyde and paper.
Oh. Oh.
No! Witherspoon Distillery. Howdy from the Witherspoon Distillery team. Yep, we're in Texas.
Yeehaw!
We are really excited for you to try our whiskey barrel board. A little bit about us. We are a distillery in Louisville, Texas, which is just outside of Dallas. We produce bourbon, rum, and single malt whiskey.
And you didn't send any whiskey. I'm appalled.
We wanted to include some samples, but unfortunately the post office has a weird thing about shipping liquor across the state line.
There you go.
We are as disappointed as you.
I'm driving to Texas. We'll meet. Don't worry.
If we are not producing spirits, we spend the rest of our time giving tours to our customers and reaching out the process by which we make our sauce. If anyone is interested, check out our website or Facebook for details, witherspoondistillery.com.
Yeah,
Can
partner.
I just say I love when your Inner Montana comes out?
As for the board, we made out 3 wood slats, or staves as we
fair
call them,
enough.
from one of our bourbon barrels as dictated by bourbon rules. These barrels are made with white American oak and are heavily charred on the inside to allow the bourbon to more easily enter the wood.
The Dimsdale Dimmadome.
This char can get a little messy, so be warned. But we figured to make some really interesting grip tape. You will find this wood to be very heavy and strong, so do your worst.
Uh-oh.
Deal.
Will people please stop telling us to do our worst?
No.
I'll tell you what, I guarantee you this thing's not gonna last the whole video.
We done already included some crappy trucks and wheels that we had lying around so you could spend more time skating and less
Hey,
time
Bo,
setting
can you
up.
hand me that there shiv over there?
I just don't know what distillery has trucks and wheels laying
No,
around.
that-
I gotta brew my beer, but can't wait to get a kickflip first. Gotta get my sesh on first. Yeehaw!
First try, the Witherspoon team!
I've never seen Fetty look more concerned. Looks like he's gonna cry.
Wait, I got a song for this video.
NASCAR, woohoo!
Wow.
All right, take it out, Bo.
Wow, howdy.
Down there in them bullet holes.
Hey, does it smell like alcohol?
What in the world? So they char the wood?
Gabe, you're not old enough.
Hey, you stop.
Braille. Oh wow, the char is really coming off on my hand.
He did say it was gonna get messy.
Charbroiled.
Come on.
That's my new shirt. You gotta get a thumbnail Dimmadome.
I'm gonna get it. Who put the biggest wedge ram right in the middle of the walkway?
What done happened there, Troy?
No, I'm just walking backwards and fell down my butt. Same lady screaming, I turned around, it's Troy.
That'd be the second broken camera you had right up in here. In all seriousness, this thing is sick.
Hey, you think you got a kickflip on this?
First try.
Really?
And every try, to be honest. Yeah. So
what
it'll
I
be
did there?
nothing but a silky smooth bourbon kickflip.
Wow. No way. Oh.
I hope we're not offending anyone with our accents, because I'm from Montana.
I think they're so bad that people don't take us seriously at this point. Whoa!
What do we do? Game of skate?
Yeah.
Okay, who's in?
Yeah, you're in, Luke.
I'm just gonna lose, and then my shoes are gonna get
No,
dirty.
you're fine. Get up in there.
Hey, well, he's always like peer pressuring me, kicking me in the nuts. One day off camera, I'm gonna punch him in the face and record it.
I'll be the judge.
Punch me in the face. Go. Go. Punch me. Just punch me.
Oh,
Okay.
God, that was so fake.
I'll show you how it's done, watch.
All right, come on.
Okay, you win. I'm second. You're last.
I got hair, that's cheating.
All right, Notification Squad, you know what to do. Leave hashtag Notification Squad in the comments below. Make sure that you are subscribed. Have your notifications turned on. Like and share this video, and you will be entered to win a Notification Squad prize package. Leave it in the comments below. Who wins the game of skate? Let's go, Cowboys! Oh no, he done got me. Do a trick!
Okay, well, I went until you slapped me.
Oh, that's a no-go. We didn't land it. Below
That's
the
why.
waist. Get out of
I'm
here.
just not gonna land anything.
That was a 180. Okay, Fetty, it's your turn. Man, this is going badly.
This is going south.
Oh! Luke's got the attitude today.
Oh, there's a ramp.
All right, you guys are both at T's.
We both got T.
We're playing a game of Texas, not a game of skate anymore, all right? Oh, first try!
I landed it. I landed on it. That counted.
Told you I broke it, Aaron.
I would give it a rebate, I guess. It'll come off. It's just charcoal.
It's broken.
It's not broken, just get on the damn
Do a
board.
kickflip already.
With that attitude.
Is that a Texas hat?
Look at that, look at that, look at that. The only thing that's broken is your dang attitude, boy. And your shoes. Yeah, look at that. That's nice.
Oh no, my shoes, they turned black.
Oh, good.
I'm still on.
Got it. Now it's to the world's skinniest skateboard that is a barrel.
Luke, you land anything on this, I'll give you a Nobel Prize.
Let's go. Yeehaw.
I'll give you a kick in the go now.
Don't you pull out that trendy garbage.
What do you think this is, 2012?
Oh, we're gonna have to call rebate. Good. Judge. Judge. Hello, Judge.
Redo.
Oh, that was good.
On defense.
At least pop it.
That was like turn to a Talladega, I'll tell you what.
That's fine.
I feel like every time Aaron's behind me, something's bad is gonna.
Go ahead, Lee.
Hey, wait, Luke. Hey,
Yes.
you got something on your shoe, man.
Yeah, I know, partner. Yeah, I tried, okay? I did my best.
Wow.
This board is the devil.
Oh, careful there. Wow, nollie.
Wow.
Can we do some real tricks, cowboy?
If this ain't a real trick, why don't you go and land it then? Why don't you learn how to ride?
I reckon this is the last time anybody sent us anything from Texas. We love Texas. Just to make it clear, I'm from Montana and we love Texas. Straight up, I do love Texas. They have the best barbecue ever. Wang dango.
Hey, do that again.
Hey, that boy can spin. They say, you ever seen this boy right here? They said, that boy can spin.
Oh, doggy.
Oh!
Natural's in the way.
Oh, wow!
He just went full ham. These boys down there want a real trick. Show them a real trick.
All right, give me backside big spin.
No, I lost my turn.
I can't done do a heel flip for my life.
This is my favorite video ever.
I'm about to steal your trick and your girl.
Can I show you one of my heel spins?
Yeah, let's see.
All right, watch this.
Aaron, I don't understand how you do that, but that is amazing. Fetty, you're trying to break it now.
No, I did not do nothing.
You're trying to break it too.
So if you're in Texas, is it just called Hold'em or is it still Texas Hold'em?
Oh!
Yeah, boy, let's go.
Hey, boy, you got that. You got one more try. All right. That's game over for you.
Why are you coming in my spin zone?
Hey, it just looks like a nice tie-dye design. You got one more letter, boy.
Yeehaw.
Aaron, you got to full send that, man.
Let's go. I'm just gonna try flip.
Tell him to stop.
Ow! Whoa! Hey, that straight flip was good. Got that, Luke. And that is game.
2 more tries and I give up.
All right. Oh! No
Not
way.
the done cleanest there, Landon, but we did it.
And we're gonna have a nice old-fashioned spin-off.
They're gonna spin off?
I spend more than your dirty laundry. Oh, you ain't do your laundry anyway.
3, 2, 1, spin.
Still going, boy. I told you. I don't stop spinning. I told you.
Uzi, to be honest, you did 2 full spins, and then you stopped and started going.
Freddy was all graceful with it. Uzi was over here like,
When have you ever seen this dumb man do anything graceful?
Get them riled up, they don't stop, do they? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are the absolute best. If you have something to send us an email about it. Skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. A huge thanks to Witherspoon for sending us this awesome board right here. They put a lot of work into this and it's absolutely incredible. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are the absolute best. We hope that you had fun watching this video. So much fun, in fact, that you yourself just now decided, man, I should really learn how to skate. We would like to help you with that. So go to brailleskateboarding.com and learn how to skate. We have the world's best instructional videos. We have skateboards, wheels, trucks. We have everything you need to get on a skateboard and learn how. And if you already know how, we have everything you need to continue skateboarding. So let's go, brailleskateboarding.com. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are the absolute best. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yeehaw!